Main warning for Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Sebastian Inlet to Jupiter Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Indian River Estates, or over White City, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Indian River Estates, Frederick Douglass Park, Surfside Park, Fort Pierce Ocean Park and White City.